Good morning, grade twos. Today is Wednesday, and we've been talking about capacity. Remember what's capacity again? Say it out loud. How much something holds. And we learned yesterday, how do we measure capacity? How do we measure how much something holds? We use liters, and liters can be a cursive L or it can be an uppercase L. Now, I would like us to practice what we've been doing the last couple days. So you're going to get your math notebook out and turn to the next page, and you're going to open your textbook to page 76. We're going to do practice, and you're going to write this at the top of your math notebook, practice 6A, and you're going to do page 76, and you're going to put today's date, which is June 2nd, okay? And when you're doing it, if you remember the red margin line in your book, you're going to write the question number on this side, and over here is where you're going to show me your work. So if you're adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing, so you're going to show me your work and you're going to put a sentence that answers the question, okay? Now, when we're doing problems, I always want you to remember, are we trying to find the total or are we comparing two things, right? Because when we're finding the total, we're adding things together to get the total. If we're comparing them, we want to know the difference. How much more, how much less? We are subtracting, okay? So let's look at the first one here. It says bucket A holds 12 liters of water. So we've got A that holds 12 liters. Bucket B holds 8 liters of water. And the first question is which bucket holds more? Well, tell me, is it bucket A or bucket B? Which one holds more? Bucket A. So on the first one, I'd write a little A and I'd put A. Now I'm going to do part B. It says, how much more? How much more does bucket A hold than B? Am I finding a total or am I comparing them? I'm comparing them, which means I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to take 12 and I'm going to take away 8. Okay, so if I have 12 and I take away 8, what do I have left? I have 4. Now I have to write a sentence. How much more? It holds 4 liters. Remember, just like when we did our weight and our measuring, you have to put liters. You have to tell me how much more it holds, not just the number 4, but also the unit of measurement, which is L for liters. Do an uppercase L. It holds 4 liters more. And there's my sentence. I am done. Here, I'll turn that a little bit. I am done question 1. Then I skip a line, and I'm going to go down, and I'm going to do question 2. And you're going to keep going down the page until you get to question 6, okay? And that's what I want you to do, just to practice this today. And thinking about, am I finding the total? Because that's when I multiply or I add, or if I'm comparing two things, I'm finding the difference, so I want to subtract, okay, when you're thinking about that. So go ahead and do that. And tomorrow, you are going to do our capacity checkpoint. You're going to show me what you've learned about liters, okay? So just try your best. Remember, I'm not looking for you to be perfect. I just want you to try your best and see what you can do, okay? So have fun today practicing, and tomorrow you'll do the checkpoint, okay?